All right, what's up, friends? Loving your shirt. This is a tough one, but we can do this in our graphic calculator. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways how to do this. Now, when it wants the slope of the graph at a given point, you need to find the derivative and then plug the point into that derivative. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. F of x. This, by the way, this is a really funky equation. Rarely do you see polynomials with trig, okay? Or exponential functions with trig. So here we go. To take the derivative. Do you know how to take the derivative of 7x to the fifth? 35x to the what? Very good, Adrian. Now the derivative of 4x is 4. And then the derivative of negative sine is negative cosine. You all over that stuff? So now, to find the slope at 0, 0, okay, we're going to put 0 in for x because there are no y's in this equation, okay? So m is 35 times 0 plus 4 minus cosine of 0. Cosine of 0 is 1, but you could put that in your calculator or you could use your unit circle to help you with that, okay? So that's how they get m equals 3. Now, pause it real quick. Okay, now, there's another way to do this, okay? The calculator can take derivatives at a point. They can't find the function, but they can find the slope of the tangent. So first, let me put this in. 7x to the fifth plus 4x minus sine of x. I would tell you that I got to make sure I'm in radians, but since we're putting in 0, 0 degrees is the same as 0 radians, so it actually ends up not matter. Make sure you're in radians when you do this, okay? Let me just look at this crazy graph. That's wild. So what it's saying, Adrian, is the slope of the line. I don't know. I can't draw on this right now for some reason. Let me try. Yeah, I can't draw on this one. But the slope at 0 has a slope of 3, the tangent line. Does that make sense? So it looks like we got this right. If you go into y equals, and you go to calculate, which is all the magic, is in calculate. Look at number 6, dy dx. Okay, now it doesn't do anything for us until we tell it what point to put in. So we're going to put in 0 for x. How come that didn't work? There it is. Had to hit it again. Okay, and then we hit enter. Come on, this thing ain't working. This machine. And there it is. You see it right here? dy dx equals 3.0000.
Basically,
Same thing. That makes sense? Yeah. So anytime you are looking for a slope at a given point, we can use our calculator to do that.
okay.
Good question. Boom.